Vamos a etapa 6, sección 13, Freshener Tips.
Hello, welcome to Vikram's home, where together we find solutions for everything. I'm Vikram, and on this show, people call me for help with their home. But first, here are some words you need to know.
Solutions. Baking. Confirm. Smells. Baking.
Hi, welcome to the show. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm Lucas. Can you confirm if baking soda can help deal with bad smells in the fridge? Hi, I'm Lucas. Can you confirm if baking soda can help deal with bad smells in the fridge? Hi, I'm Lucas. Can you confirm if baking soda can help deal with bad...
Yes, Lucas. I can confirm that baking soda is great for this. Just place an open box in the fridge.
That sounds easy. How often should I change it? How often should I change it?
I suggest changing it every 3 months. It will keep the fridge smelling fresh.
Thank you, Vikram. I will try this right away.
You're welcome, Lucas. I'm always happy to help. Another problem solved. Thank you for listening to Vikram's Home. See you next time.